Ty Stevenson here. Welcome to my channel. I hope that you are happy and healthy and well, you and your families. Today is Saturday. It's about almost 10 o'clock and I've been up since 6, I guess. But I haven't really done anything. You see these boxes. I'm currently sitting on the couch about to put together some more boxes because I said that I will pack at least one more room this weekend, just to prepare to move out of this place next weekend. Yes, I'm almost 7 months pregnant and we are moving. It's a great experience. I'm super grateful. I had to learn how to change the moment because I was like, oh, I'm so stressed, but now loving it, enjoying it. So today I'm about to finish putting together these boxes. I'm going to go get a smoothie or something because I'm hungry. Really don't know what I want for breakfast for real. And I guess it's kind of a busy day, but I don't know, we'll see. So come along for the ride. Me and baby are gonna be bumping around today. So I packed the boxes thinking, not pack them. I made them thinking that later when I come home, it'll be easier for me to just pack up some stuff since the boxes are already made, you know? Yeah, now I'm about to head to get a smoothie from Fruva Express, one of my favorite places ever. And then go to Whole Foods to pick up some snacks and stuff for this event later. And yeah, I'm really hungry, but I don't know what I want. I think I want oatmeal. I don't know, we'll decide. Stop back home, but I'm about to show you my snacks and stuff that I got from Whole Foods. Smoothie was busted, by the way. I just got my acai bowl as a smoothie. Yeah. So I got some watermelon. The cashier was really nice. She gave me a bag for every item I had. Kind of wasteful, but got some peaches. The cherries are busting right now. These are from Washington or Oregon. I don't know, they good. Then I got these fruit tart pastries just for our dessert later. And yeah, I got a dozen. It was buy 5 get the 6th one free, so I got a dozen. Hopefully they good. They look good, so excited to try those later. So you see, I had to make a pit stop at Arby's because 1, I needed some more water because it's really hot outside, and 2, I really wanted a mozzarella stick. And I'm so glad I took that 30-minute drive. Now I'm on my way to the chiropractor. He gonna be mad that I'm eating this, but who cares? Yes, this is the one that told me that I was pregnant, by the way. Might introduce you to him today. Yeah. So you didn't get an introduction to the chiropractor today because The man wasn't there. I got a massage and a quick little adjustment. He wasn't there though. Oh,
That's that,
look at this
Princess Diaries one.
Yes, it is.
She got stuck in that Mustang.
So I've been back home, changed my clothes for this event, and now it's pouring down raining. I'm waiting for somebody to come get me with an umbrella. I forgot I had these shades on. This is crazy rain. I did not know it was gonna keep raining like this. It stormed really bad last night, and I guess it's still storming today.
They get an idea right until it happens.
I know y'all like, dang, that girl always in the kitchen. I got this set from Target the other day. And, yeah. But anyway, I've been home for a little bit now. You saw that I went to that event. It was fun. It was nice. Now I'm about to eat and then prepare for bed. I'm tired. I just been scrolling literally for hours. Just scrolling. I didn't just mix up a thing. This is a chicken Caesar salad from Bona. Drink some water. That's gonna conclude today's portion. I'll probably vlog tomorrow too because I have a meeting about my baby showers and I'm getting dinner made for me, so yeah. I know I'm boring. I'm just really tired today, so hopefully you stick around.